Hi, it's Chris from Free Library Springfield Township. Today we're coming to you with mini books. We're going to make these today. In the supplies that you need is a pair of scissors, possibly a pen. You're going to need a glue stick. You're going to need one piece of 8.5 by 11 paper. Plain copy paper is what we need. And then a piece of color paper. It can be just plain color paper like this. It can be construction paper if you have scrapbook paper, any kind of decorative color, something in contrast to your white copy paper. And then markers, colored pencils, crayons, something to be decorative, to make some kind of pattern, something on the outside of your little mini book. So how we get started with this is we're going to take our 8.5 by 11 page and we are going to fold it, and basically we're going to create 4 squares. 4 squares across, 4 squares down. So we're going to fold it in half. And we're going to fold it in half again. You want to try and get them as even as you can. That makes your book easier to put together. Makes your squares better. Okay, open it back up, and then you're going to fold it in half, top to bottom. And then fold it in half again. Okay, now you open up your paper and you should have 4 across and 4 down. Now, what you want the pen for is we are going to cut on these lines. Now, from the top line, you are going to cut in 3 squares. So, you're going to cut on this line 3 squares across. You're not going to cut all the way across, but just 3. The middle line, you're going to cut from the right, and you're going to cut in from the right to the left, 3. This bottom section, you're going to cut again from the left, and you're going to cut from the left to the right in 3 squares. Okay? So left, right, left. So take our scissors and cut those lines. Okay, so now it should be like a big long chain. Okay, so where we started at the top, we're going to cut that far left square off. So you actually only have 3. Okay, put that to the side. Now we're going to start to fold. Your fold is going to actually go, it's going to fold on top of itself to the end, and you're going to have to make a crease because it is folding against where the folds had been. Okay, so you fold over and you crease it, and then we're going to fold back on the next row, and we're going to fold over across itself over to the end and give it a little crease. And then you're going to fold back, okay, and over. And then we fold down again. Now this one you fold front, and then you're going to take this piece and we are going to glue it around to the back, and that is going to hold the book together. Okay, Let me show you that one more time so we make sure we get our folds going the right way. Because otherwise you can get pages that stick together and don't open up. Because trust me, when I tried to figure this out the first couple times, I didn't get it right. So we are going to fold over on top of itself, first row, and we flip back. And then we fold over on top of the left side, and we flip back. And we fold over on top of the right side, and we flip back. Now this one, the left side folds over on top of the whole pile that we have, and this one last piece is going to wrap around to the back. That's where we need our glue stick. Because the glue stick we're going to take and make sure you get the corners. And we're going to wrap this around. Get all my pages kind of lined up there. I'll wrap that around and glue it in. Good hard crease there. And now you've got a little book. All these cute little pages that you can draw pictures on, write on, whatever you want. Okay? So now, piece that you have here, the 5.5 by 6.5. We need to take and do, remember what size it's in. When you fold this in half, it's going to be about the size of your book. Okay? My book's a little bit bigger than my paper, so cut it in half there, almost. And then we're going to do our sides, and oops, I'll fold that in half. And then see what we can tuck back so that we have a nice So this is kind of just making the paper about the size of whatever your book ended up being. So I didn't need to be quite so big. And then you're going to tuck this side in. Okay. Okay, so now I've got my sides folded. I'm going to take a little bit of glue and glue them down. And glue that one down. Make sure they stick. And then that up. Book in the center. And there you go. Now you have yourself a nice, cute little book. Then you can take a marker and do whatever kind of doodle you want on here. So there you go. Mini books today from the Free Library of Springfield Township. Hope you guys are being well, staying safe, and look for more things from us. Have a great day. Bye.